Alright guys, today I have another video. It's another firework video. Don't judge me, don't judge me. I'm just really good at making fireworks. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not that braggy. Today I had a comment saying, what if you don't have paper towels? Well, you could use toilet paper, but it's a lot thinner, so you're gonna have to like, kind of fold it. Don't make it too short, but yeah, basically I'm using a whole, I already have mine set up. I'm using a whole pack of caps here, and then yeah, so I have it right here. I already have taped a little bit on the bottom. I have to cut more tape, and this time I'm using athletic tape because athletic tape works a lot better than duct tape, and it's cheaper, so yeah, and it's not as thick as duct tape, so like the explosion would be a lot more like bigger. Trying to fold it and get it into one. So yeah, this is actually the bottom of it. I'm going to fold it in like this, and then I'm going to put tape over it. That I'm only using tape 3 times. Just a whole Alright, so I have it here, and you're probably going to say, where's the fuse going to go in? See this little, there's like a little hole right here? That's where the fuse is. You can't really see it good on camera, but yeah. So that's it, okay. Here, I need to go get something really quick. I'm not going to cut, because I don't like cutting. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take it like the paper towel, same thing basically. I'm gonna fold it, I'm gonna twist it. It's actually gonna be better because it's actually thinner. The thinner it is, the better it is. And depending on how long you want your fuse to wait, make it longer. Cut it out. Scissors cut, thank you. And then stick the thinnest part, which is right here, into there. Hold it up like that. Get some more tape. More tape. So yeah, just slide the fuse into there. Hold it down. Alright, there we go. You got a little ball, a little firework. Let's light off. You can light it, throw it, be like the ball from Bangarang. Yeah, that's how you make a firework. Another one. Alright, see you later, guys. Bye.